Cut through branches like a pro with a Tietoc 6-inch mini electric chainsaw. This compact yet powerful tool is perfect for gardening and light woodcutting tasks. Its ergonomic design ensures easy handling, while the sharp chain delivers precision with every cut. Featuring a durable motor, it powers through logs effortlessly, making your outdoor chores a breeze. Lightweight and portable, this chainsaw is your ideal companion for quick and efficient cutting. Ready to tackle tough jobs? Check out the Tietoc Mini Chainsaw today. Make your outdoor adventures deliciously memorable with the Gas 1GS 8300 Camp Stove. Compact and efficient, this portable stove is designed for easy use during camping, picnics, or emergencies. With a piezo ignition system and high heat output, cooking becomes fast and hassle-free. Its sleek, lightweight design ensures portability, and the sturdy build guarantees durability. Perfect for boiling, grilling, or frying, this camp stove is a must-have for your outdoor gear. Get ready to elevate your cooking game. Keep your food and drinks fresh on the go with the EUHOMY 12-volt refrigerator. Designed for road trips, camping, and more, this compact fridge ensures reliable cooling wherever you are. It features low energy consumption and operates quietly, making it perfect for long journeys. The spacious interior can store all your essentials, while the sleek design fits effortlessly in your car or RV. Say goodbye to melting ice and hello to ultimate convenience with EUHOMY. Take on pruning and cutting tasks with a LAGOM folding saw. This lightweight yet durable tool is designed for tackling branches, small logs, and gardening projects. Its razor-sharp blade ensures smooth, clean cuts, while the foldable design makes it safe and portable. Perfect for campers, hikers, or DIY enthusiasts, this saw combines practicality with efficiency. Whether trimming trees or preparing firewood, the LAGOM folding saw is your go-to solution for outdoor tasks. Stay powered up anywhere with the BigBlue 28W portable solar charger. Designed for outdoor adventurers, this high-efficiency charger converts sunlight into reliable energy for your devices. With multiple USB ports, you can charge smartphones, tablets, and more simultaneously. Its foldable, waterproof design ensures easy carrying and durability, even in rugged conditions. Whether camping, hiking, or traveling, this solar charger keeps your devices running. Go green and stay connected with BigBlue. Relax in style with the ever-advanced luxury folding camping chair. Designed for ultimate comfort, this chair features padded seating and back support for long hours of relaxation. Its durable steel frame supports up to 300 pounds, making it perfect for outdoor adventures or backyard lounging. With a built-in cup holder and side pocket, convenience is always within reach. Lightweight and easy to fold, it's your ideal companion for camping or tailgating. Give your furry friend endless fun with the LOOBANI Outdoor Bungee Tug Toy. Designed for active dogs, this interactive toy enhances agility and strength through tug-of-war play. The durable bungee cord withstands heavy pulling, while the adjustable strap ensures it fits various setups. Perfect for the backyard or park, this toy keeps your pet entertained and healthy. Encourage playtime and bond with your dog today. Stay hydrated anywhere with a Membrane Solutions straw water filter. This lightweight, portable filter removes bacteria, parasites, and microplastics, ensuring safe drinking water from any freshwater source. Ideal for hiking, camping, or emergencies, it's easy to use and fits in your backpack effortlessly. With a long lifespan and high filtration capacity, this tool is a survival essential. Enjoy clean water on the go with Membrane Solutions. Never lose tiny metal objects again with a telescoping magnetic pickup tool set. Perfect for retrieving screws, nails, or bolts, these extendable tools are a must-have for your toolbox. Featuring a powerful magnet and flexible reach, they're ideal for tight spaces. Whether fixing gadgets or working in your garage, this set combines practicality with precision. Simplify your tasks with this reliable tool. Unleash your creativity with the SCRIB3D P1 3D printing pen. Perfect for artists, hobbyists, and kids, this pen lets you draw in 3D, bringing your imagination to life. The intuitive LCD display makes adjusting temperature and speed a breeze. Compatible with PLA and ABS filaments, it's versatile and easy to use. Whether crafting, repairing, or designing, the SCRIB3D P1 is your gateway to endless possibilities.